Welcome back. Today we're comparing Batocera versus RetroPie versus Recalbox versus Lakka. Which retro gaming operating system is the best? Batocera is an all-in-one retro gaming OS with a polished interface, wide emulator support, and easy setup, making it perfect for plug-and-play gaming. RetroPie offers excellent customization and supports a huge range of emulators, making it a favorite for Raspberry Pi users and retro gaming enthusiasts. Recalbox focuses on simplicity, providing an easy-to-use interface, quick installation, and great compatibility with classic gaming consoles. Lakka is a lightweight operating system built around RetroArch, delivering fast performance and a clean interface for users who want a minimal retro gaming experience. The overall winner is Batocera because it combines the easiest setup, broad emulator compatibility, excellent hardware support, and a polished user experience, making it the best choice for most retro gamers. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.